Okay, before I start the video, I want you guys to see how clean and neat my parts are. So we're gonna focus on the neatness of the parts. So with this, you're gonna need 7 packs of hair, some shiny gems, some clips, a skinny tooth comb, and this hairstyle takes at least 9 to 10 hours, a long time. So I'm gonna take my clip out. I'm gonna part my hair. Simple. Make sure my part is clean, real clean. I'm gonna move my hair out the way, so I won't get no hair in my braids while I'm braiding. So I'm gonna take this little piece and I'm gonna part it 3 times. 3 times. Now as you guys can see, I'm making sure the parts are clean. And I'm putting the gem on there to make the parts neat. To make the neat look. It gives it the neat look. On this part, I'll be sectioning off 5 pieces, 5 small pieces. So I'm starting off with 2 pieces and I'm crossing the darkest piece over the lighter piece so that the darker piece show more than the lighter piece. So as you guys can see, I'm making sure that I am gripping the root of my hair really tight. And if you guys want to see a very detailed video on how I'm doing my braiding, let me know in the comments. So I'm adding another piece to the braid. And the reason I'm adding on pieces is so that the braid stays long. So I'm moving my hair out the way, my edges, the part that I want to be left out of the braids. So I'm just moving it back with some shine and gem. The gem that I'm using for the braids to keep the braids nice and neat. I'm going through with the scissors, cutting away the hairs that's sticking out so that when I'm done, I won't have to go back and cut them. Anybody that do braids know that going back and cutting these hairs take all day. You really have to have some good patience to be able to do your own hair, because while I was doing my hair, I was also doing my little sister hair, which the video will be dropping right after this video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. So I'll be dropping that hair tutorial after this video. You know, I can't wait till this hairstyle get done. I'm geek looking in the mirror at the hairstyle while I'm braiding this. So you guys gonna keep seeing me make faces in the mirror, because I look like a bad bitch. Simple. So I'm back. I'm halfway done with my hair. As you guys can see, this is the next day. So I'm starting with the back of my hair. As you guys can see, I'm making bigger parts. When you're doing box braids, you want to make sure all around your head is small, but when you get in the center, that's when your braids can get a little bigger, because it makes the braiding process goes fast. So make sure you remember that. Make sure you braid all the way to the end, so that the end will not be looking so tacky and nappy. You won't need braids all the way throughout the braid. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to see more hair tutorials. When you untangle the hair, make sure you start from the bottom up, so that the braid, you won't mess the braiding pattern up. Remember, the shine make the braid look neat. Don't forget to use your shine again. We're down to the last 2 braids. I'm sorry I had to make the video as short as possible. So if you want to see a more detailed video on how I do my braiding and how I braid, make sure you let me know in the comments. you all think this video was helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials. Thank you for watching.